Welcome back to the classroom. In this lesson, we're going to talk about HDDs versus SSDs versus NVMe drives, all in plain English. This is another useful topic to understand because storage affects how a computer feels, how fast it works, and what upgrade options make the biggest difference in the real world. If you've ever used a computer that took forever to boot up, opened programs slowly, or just felt sluggish all the time, there's a good chance that the type of storage inside the computer was part of the reason. Let's start with the HDD, which stands for hard disk drive. This is the older style of storage that has been used in computers for many years. A hard drive stores data on a mechanical spinning disk inside the drive, and a moving arm reads and writes the data. Because it has moving parts, an HDD is slower than newer storage types. It can also be more fragile if dropped or bumped. The biggest advantage of hard drives is usually the cost. They often give you a lot more storage space for less money, which is why they were more common in older desktops and laptops. Next is the SSD, or solid state drive. Unlike a hard drive, an SSD has no moving parts. It stores data on flash memory, which allows it to access files much faster. That means the computer can boot up faster, programs can open faster, and the overall system feel is usually much more responsive. Many modern computers use SSDs because they are faster, quieter, and more reliable than old spinning hard drives. When people say a computer feels snappy or fast, the SSD is often a big part of that experience. Now let's talk about NVMe drives. NVMe stands for non-volatile memory express. Still a type of SSD, so it's still solid-state storage with no moving parts. The difference is in how it connects and communicates to the system. A traditional SSD uses older SATA connections, while an NVMe SSD usually connects directly to the motherboard through an M.2 slot and uses a faster data path. In plain English, that means an NVMe drive can often move data much faster than a traditional SSD. Now, not every user will notice a full difference during light everyday use, but NVMe drives are especially helpful for larger file transfers, heavier workloads, and newer systems built to take advantage of that extra speed. Here's the simple real-world comparison. An HDD is usually the slowest, but often cheaper for larger storage. SATA SSD is much faster than an HDD and is one of the best upgrades for older computers. An NVMe SSD is often faster and is common in many newer laptops and desktops. So when comparing these three, it helps to think of them like this. HDD is the older, slower option. SATA SSD is the major speed upgrade, and an NVMe is the newer, even faster version of solid-state storage. One of the biggest beginner takeaways is this. A lot of older, slow computers still use traditional hard drives. In the real world, one of the most noticeable upgrades you can make is replacing an old HDD with an SSD. That single change can make a computer start faster, open programs quicker, and feel much less frustrating to use. This is why storage type matters so much in repair work and troubleshooting. When someone says, "My computer is so slow," the storage drive is usually one of the first things worth testing. You do not need to memorize every storage detail right now. At this stage, the goal is to simply understand that there are different storage types and that they behave differently. When you understand the difference between an HDD, an SSD, and an NVMe drive, you are already building very practical repair skills because this knowledge shows up again and again in real-world troubleshooting, upgrades, and customer conversations. Okay, so to recap, a traditional HDD is an older storage drive with moving parts and slower performance. SATA SSD is a much faster solid-state drive with no moving parts. And an NVMe SSD is also solid-state, but usually much faster because it uses a more direct connection to the motherboard. One of the most valuable real-world upgrades is replacing an old hard drive with an SSD, because that can dramatically improve how fast a computer feels. The main thing to remember is that storage type matters a lot for speed, troubleshooting, and upgrade planning. Okay, your homework after this lesson is to go write down one reason SSDs are often such an important upgrade for older computers. Share your reasons in the community, or you can DM me directly if you'd like.